Why do you keep giving in? Even when you know it's not good for you, why do the same patterns keep showing up? The same thoughts, the same temptations, the same mistakes. This chapter explains something most people never fully understand. Temptation isn't random, it's targeted, and if you don't see it, you'll keep losing to it. Stay with me, because later in this video I'm going to show you the exact moment most people fail and how to stop it. In Matthew chapter 4, something important happens right after being baptized, right after a powerful moment with God. Jesus Christ is led into the wilderness, not into comfort, not into safety, into testing. That's your first clue. Sometimes the moment after growth is the moment you're tested the most. Have you ever noticed that? Right when you decide to do better, something tries to pull you back. That's not coincidence. Jesus fasts for 40 days. He's hungry, weak, physically drained, and that's when temptation shows up, not at his strongest, but at his weakest. The enemy says, if you are the Son of God, turn these stones into bread. Now stop there. This isn't just about food. This is about need. You're hungry. Fix it your way. How often do we do that? You feel empty. You fill it fast. You feel pressure. You escape. You feel pain. You distract. But Jesus responds with something powerful. Man shall not live on bread alone. Meaning, there's something deeper than immediate relief. Remember this. The first temptation is about meeting a real need the wrong way. We'll come back to that. Next, Jesus is taken to a high place, and he's told, throw yourself down, God will save you. This one is subtle. It sounds like faith, but it's actually testing God. Prove it. Force something to happen. How many times do people do this? If this works out, then I'll believe. If God is real, then he should. That's not trust. That's control. And again, Jesus responds, do not test the Lord your God. This temptation is about trying to control outcomes instead of trusting process. We'll come back to why that matters for your life. Finally, the biggest one. Jesus is shown everything. Power, success, influence, and he's told, all of this can be yours if you take the shortcut. This is the most dangerous one because it offers the right thing, the wrong way. How many people fall here? Want success? Take shortcuts. Want peace? Avoid the process. Want purpose? Skip growth. But Jesus says, worship God only. No shortcuts. No compromise. This temptation is about getting what you want without becoming who you need to be. We're about to tie all three together. Now look at the pattern. Need to fix it fast. Control to force outcomes. Shortcut to skip growth. That's not random, that's a system, and it shows up in your life all the time. You don't fail because you have needs. You fail when you meet them the wrong way. Ask yourself, am I solving this or escaping it? You don't need more control. You need more trust in the process because growth doesn't happen instantly. Shortcuts don't save time. They cost you transformation, and that's why people stay stuck. Notice something important. Jesus doesn't argue emotionally. He responds with truth. Every time, he's grounded, clear, unmoved. That's the difference. Temptation doesn't win because it's strong. It wins because people are unprepared. So, what does this mean for you? It means your struggles aren't random. Your patterns have a structure, and your breakthroughs require awareness. Next time you feel pulled, ask, is this a need? Is this control? Is this a shortcut? And then choose differently. Jesus didn't remove temptation. He showed how to overcome it. So here's the real question. What's the one thing you keep giving into that you now see more clearly?
Now take a moment. Go and read the full chapter for yourself. Let it speak to you directly. And if you want to grow closer to the Bible, like, subscribe, and join us for more 10-Minute Bible as we break it down into simple, manageable pieces. Thank you for watching.